some pretty good time. Bye.
Yeah, we're gonna switch it around. So.
Second down.
Hey, buddy.
How's it going?
Well, I'm not dead yet.
Can I see my video of me? Can I see? Can I see my video of me?
Second down.
Can I see the video of me? Hey, guess what, Auntie Caitlin? Can I see the video of me? Hey, Auntie Caitlin. Guess what, Auntie Caitlin? Hey, Auntie Caitlin.
You were very patient.
Can I see? I wanted to see my video.
Yeah, I had to finish filming the play, bud. Say hi.
Hi.
Just gonna pretend I'm putting in the effort. I can't catch him. But I didn't give up. I just ran really slow. Yeah. Usually by now I'd be on the ground like one.
Did you hear my rhyme?
What?
Second down, where Tim's on the ground.
Oh, nobody cares about that.
You didn't,
What?
He was such a...
no?
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, well, I was like, well, Jim,
The best way to get him to walk away.
I was recording Jim.
No, we didn't run a play yet, so it's first down. Timeout.
Kidding me?
Second down. That's like ballet right there.
There you go.
Where are they?
Let's try to get to the end zone. Let's try to get to you. And then he came back out.
I can't see them with my eyeballs. There's balloons up there somewhere. Sorry, paying attention. Ugh. Okay.
Oh, he wasn't looking. That was way out there.
Yeah, as soon as I see him release it.
The prodigal son returns.
I didn't know you were coming. I didn't Oh, you gotta do your camera intro.
I didn't sign off on it.
He's going to sign a release afterwards. So he's back, and he gets to be quarterback because I'm tagging him in. It's, what is it, second down?
I've been planking for at least 3 solid days now, 62 seconds a day.
I missed one throw, so you're at a disadvantage. You got second down, but the first down is 50. Andy's coming in for me. Third down.
I did jump.
Yeah, I would have been able to film that better if I wasn't smacking into you.
I know, well, I'm fat. So.
Standing right next to
I'm
me.
fat. One of my chins got in the way.
I'm not fat. I don't stand. Oh.
I'm marking. I'm the referee
But how
now.
would you do it from the other side
I'm
of
the
the
referee
field?
now. Interference.
How would you do it from the
Help,
other
interference with the
other
referee.
side of the field?
Third down.
Out.
Timeout.
What? What?
He said hold on.
Who said hold on?
Tim.
Oh, I didn't hear hold on.
No, I said we were ready.
Oh, okay. Time in.
Oh.
Good looking out.
First down. First down. Play ball.
I needed it. I needed to see how hard he rushed.
Turnover.
I'm just trying to make you walk a little, Sean.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Oh, did he say height?
Yeah, we did.
Well, I didn't know that.
If you would have went forward, you would have got the first.
Oh yeah,
Third down.
perfect spot. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for
You
that.
just saw set.
Ryan.
Third down.
Yeah, he touched you.
No, I didn't.
Your legs literally both tied.
Second down.
Peace, Rod. Peace, lover side.
I'm sorry. How was your game today, Charlie?
It's been fun and quite energetic, but I'm exhausted.
This has been an Orlick presentation of the OFL, Orlick Football League.